Hello guys, Julian here from Just8ate.com, and today I am doing an unboxing video because look at I got something in the P.o. box, and this was sent to me from Pokeboy Productions. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Yeah. So Pokeboys and I actually go way back, and it's with Vernon, Jenner, and Romeo. If you haven't noticed, we've done a lot of collaborations. Actually, we've done 1 or 2 collaborations before, and so definitely check out their channel. I'm just going to stop talking and start opening this package because I want to know what's inside the package. What do you think it is? Comment down below to let me know what you think it is. Is it a shirt? Oh my god, guys! Oh my gosh. Okay, so in the envelope, Just8ate. But at the same time, I'm just too excited. I have a sticker. Look at my sticker from Pokeboys. And at the same time, and then you guys, check out this. It's a hat. It's a cap. It's a cap that I will definitely be wearing this if I'm not wearing my bow. And at the same time, I know Luis will be happy to be wearing this. And I know what's really even cool is that their name is on the back too. So if you want to wear it backwards, you can. Or you can wear it frontwards. Oh my goodness. And it's Velcro. And so it's sizable because it's Velcro. You know what I mean? I could like put my ponytail behind there if I want to. Anyway, so now I'm going to get to the card because I'm excited about the card. So I'm going to open the card because I'm just super excited about the card. I love cards, y'all. If you guys don't know, I do have a P.o. box. I think I said that in the beginning. Oh my goodness. So yeah, send me something in the mail because I love getting mail call. Okay. Oh, look at Luis and Julian, Just8ate. Hope you guys are having a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thanks for being a friend. Keep grinding. Vernon, Jenner, and Romeo. Truly yours. Yours truly. Aw, Pokeboys. Awesome friends, guys. Check out their channel whenever you can. They're on YouTube, they're on Twitter, and Instagram. So again, it's Pokeboy Productions. Yay, Pokeboys! Thank you so much for all the goodies that you sent here. Now, I'm super excited to show and tell. I don't even know if I could hold everything up. But yeah, this is really, really cool. Thank you so much. Our own stickers are in production right now. I know I probably said that like 6 months ago, but they will be coming in soon, and I will be sending you boys some for sure. So watch out for that one. And of course, for all my eaters that are watching, thank you so much for watching. And maybe if you want to send me something through the mail, the PO address is down in the description down below. So definitely always, guys and gals, my haters, expand your mind as you explore your palette, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my haters. I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, Pokeboys, Vernon, Romeo, and Jenner. You're appreciated more than words can express.
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
expand your mind, explore your palette, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters.
See you in the next video.